Good morning, students. Today we understand the concept of money. What is money? What is functions of money? What is barter system of exchange? What are the difficulties of barter system? Forms of money like as fiat money, fiduciary money, full-bodied money and credit money. And most important topic, the measurement of money. Now, what is money? Money is anything विच वी एक्सेप्ट एज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसे हम मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज के रूप में एक्सेप्ट कर चुके हैं, वी कैन से इट दी मनी. जनरली मनी कैन बी डिफाइंड एज अ एनीथिंग विच इज कॉमनली एक्सेप्टेड एज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. If we want to sell something, we can sell in return of money. If we want to purchase something, we can purchase something by in the return of money. So it is the main function of money. Now, what are the functions of money? We can say the functional definition of money. Anything which have done the four works, four functions, we can say the money. The first function is medium of exchange. Money is the medium of exchange. We can sell anything for the money. We can purchase anything in return of money. So anything which is the medium of exchange, we can say it the money. Like as rupee is the money for India. Dollar is the money for USA. Euro is the money for Europe. Because these currencies are the medium of exchange for that countries. Now, the second function of money is store the value. Anything by which we can store the value, it is the money. We can store a lot of wealth in the form of money. And third is measure of value. Money is anything by which we can measure the value of commodities. एक कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसके थ्रू हम commodities की वैल्यू को मेजर कर सके, we can say it the money. Now, if someone asks you what is the price of your car, you can say easily 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, anything. What is the price of your house? You can say it 1 crore, 2 crore. So we have a single unit to measure the value of different goods. हमारे पास आज एक सिंगल यूनिट है जिसके थ्रू हम कमोडिटीज की वैल्यू को मेजर कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज द मनी. The fourth function of money is standard for deferred payment. Before understand the function of that function of money, we have to understand the deferred payment. What is deferred payment? Deferred payments are future payments. For example, I purchase something from you and I promise that I give you payment after 2 or 3 months. But in the form of money, I can give you the money after 2 or 3 months. It is the deferred payment. We can do the deferred payment in the form of money easily. Now, what is the barter system of exchange? Students, before the money, in all of the world, there is barter system of exchange. Money से पहले दुनिया में barter system of exchange चलता था. What is barter system of exchange? Barter system of exchange is the exchange of goods with the goods. For example, I have produced rice. So I have only rice, not anything. Now I can give the rice to someone and take wheat from him. I can give the rice someone and take cloth from him. It is the barter system where goods are exchanged with the goods. And we can say it the CC economy, commodity to